Hello friends, welcome to cpp5.com. My today's pick of interview question is the difference between a structure and a class in C++. So let me give you some insights before starting. As you know, C has no concept of encapsulation, so everything in C by default is public. Structure was generally developed in C before, so when C++ came into picture with OOPS concept, changing the structure became difficult due to compatibility issue. So Bajani Srostop came up with a new keyword called class, which was more powerful than structure in terms of encapsulation, that is keeping everything private by default. But otherwise it was similar to structure. So the outcome was a developer coding in C++ could either use a class or a struct keyword, keeping in mind few points in which they were different from each other. There are basically two major differences you can point out. The first difference is the members of a class is private by default while the members of a structure is public by default. As you know, a class has different access specifier, private, public and protected, and by default for a class the members that you have specified without any access specifier are private by default. So as you can see, I have a class cpp5 in which I have a member variable int value, and this by default should be private by default because I have used a class keyword. So further, if you can see, in int main I have created an object of this class and then I have assigned its value to be equal to 20, and then I am trying to print out the value. So what do you think will be the output of this? Can we directly access this value when we use a class keyword? Let's find it out. It gives an error. As you can see, it's saying very clearly that cpp5 value is private and cannot be directly accessed like this. So this is one of the encapsulation feature that the class keyword provides to you, and by default all the member variables are private. But the same does not apply for a structure which is coming from the predecessor language. So I simply change this class to structure using a struct keyword. Now let's compile this and see what happens. Wow, it compiled very well and with no errors. That shows that the member variables of a structure is public by default. So you can directly access the members like this by creating an object of that structure, and I'm sure it will also print out the value of t. Let's find it out. As you can see, it printed out 20. So this is one of the difference that you can point out to your interviewer when they ask you the difference between a class and a struct. The second point is based on the concept of inheritance. Inheritance is a process of creating a new class from existing classes. The new class inherits the property and behavior of existing class. Here is an example. As you can see, the child came from its parents and the child has inherited the properties and behavior of the parent. Now there is another point to be noted. The child could have inherited in three different ways from its parent. This is depending on the access specifier we have specified while creating the child. These are private inheritance. The public and protected member of the parent class becomes the private member of the child class. Then comes the public inheritance, where all the public member and the protected member of the parent class are inherited as public and protected respectively in the child class. The third inheritance is protected inheritance, where the public and protected member of the parent class are derived as protected member in the child class. By default, if you don't specify the access specifier while creation of the child, then for a class it is private by default, and in case of a structure it is public by default. Let's quickly see the second point in the code. When deriving a structure from a class or a structure, the default access specifier for a base class or structure is public. And when deriving a class, the default access specifier is private. So one thing you should always keep in mind is whenever you derive a class with a class keyword, it is always private by default. And when you're deriving a structure from a class or a structure, it is always public by default. Let's see the example here. You have a base class which has a member variable int x, and then we are deriving a derived class from the base class. As you can see, there is no access specifier over here. And since the derived class is a class, the default access specifier, as we mentioned before, is private. So let's see, when we create an object of a derived class and then give a value to the member variable of the object, what happens? Let's compile this code. As you can see, it gave an error. It says that int base of x is inaccessible. This is because by default the base public member or protected member or the private members are derived like private over here. So all the members have become private of the derived class. That's why it was not able to access the x directly over here. Now we can change this to a structure and see what happens. It compiled properly. Why did it compile properly? Because here the derived class is a structure, and then by default its access specifier will be public. That's why int x has become a public member of the derived class, and hence the x is accessible outside the class also. That's all, folks. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be posting some more interesting questions in my future videos. Also do suggest in the comment section any questions or concepts you would like me to cover in my next videos. Bye bye.